I everyone for people who know the 16 psychological types and the 8 cognitive function model, the term ambivert and introvert have not their place. Introvert, extrovert, ambivert, introvert are not personality type. People who use this term simply lack of knowledge and talk about them only in surface. They use this term in relation to social interaction, whereas introversion and extroversion are not only about social interaction. They are for all types of information, abstract, concept, ideas for the intuition, and sensorial for sensory, feeling for feeling, and think for thinking. The psychiatrist Ramu Kaminsky, who invented this neologism, probably doesn't know at all the 16 psychological types in the 8 cognitive function model, nor the 27 personality types in the Enneagram system. The definition of the term introvert on Wikipedia: an introvert is someone who feels like an external outsider in group even when they are friendly and socially capable. Media description of introverts commonly emphasize emotional independence from group, original thinking, low interest in joining or in adopting group ritual, and a tendency to seek depth in small number of relationships rather than broad group belonging. For my perception and reflection, introverts have more chance to be an introverted psychological type: ISFJ, ISTJ, ISFP, ISTP, INFJ, INTJ, INFP, INTP. Extroverts have more chance to be an extroverted psychological type: ESFJ, ESTJ, ESFP, ESTP, INFJ, ENTJ, ENFP, ENTP. Ambiverts have more chance to be the extroverted intuitive: ENTP, ENFP, ENFJ, ENTJ, because they are extroverted, have sensing function lower in their function stack. They need to recharge from sensory information. When people socialize, they talk, use their mouth, and produce sound, which are sensory information. Introverts have more chance to be the intuitive psychological type and to be gifted and or autistic, Asperger, and or ADHD. Intuitive because they prefer deep conversation and need to recharge from surface, meaningless sensory information. Autistic, Asperger, because they have specific interests, connect with people who have the same interests and their independence and their hyperlogical brain. ADHD, because they can get quickly bored. Gifted, multipotential, because of their independence and their massive discrepancy, wide range of interest and knowledge. And probably more chance they are Enneagram type 5, 7 or 8. The issue is most people use this term only for what is social and even design them as personality type, whereas they are not at all. They are only one trait in the whole bigger picture in the entire personality functioning of the psyche. I understand that most humans are defined as social creatures, but we are not only that. Not everything is about what is social. For fun, maybe the individuals who don't like to socialize at all are noverts, and people who socialize with everyone are totalverts. For certain highly intuitive and intelligent individuals, when we understand things, ideas, concepts, we don't always need to put a word on it. Words are surface, sometimes inaccurate, inappropriate, comparing to the image ID we want to put a word on. Like the life, the energy, information only go inside and outside, internal and external, alternating and continuous, so only introvert and extrovert. If it exists something else than an inside and an outside, tell me. The term introvert makes sense, but for me, it doesn't need to exist. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.